Hi guys, I'm Dimas. Welcome to my video. I would like to share my video about English. It's about how to improve our speaking. Okay, the title of my video is Speaking, Ignore Your Grammar First. Okay, I realize that as the learner, we sometimes think of our grammar, that we said and we think that it's very important. It's kind of a key to open our English, but actually it's wrong. Okay, when you want to improve your speaking, you have to ignore it first. Why I must say like this? Because I experienced it too. Okay, we had missed some points that very important to learn about our speaking. The first is about our self-confidence, and the second is about our pronunciation. The third is about word diction, and the fourth is about our vocabulary. Okay guys, let's discuss together. The first is about self-confidence. We are too shy to speak in English. Sometimes we think that our English is bad because it's ungrammatical. But actually, the communication can run well if between the speaker and the listener can understand well. So we can ignore the grammar first, but we also learn it too. The second is about our pronunciation. It's very important to us when we want to speak something. When we want to speak a word, it must be correct in pronunciation, because if we miss or we are wrong in pronunciation, maybe it will create a different meaning in a word that we must care about it. And the third about word diction. When we want to choose a word, we must be careful also. When we want to speak, we have to know that we have to choose a proper word. So when you want to deliver your message, it can be delivered yet. It can be delivered yet. Well, so your listener can understand and it makes a clear interpretation about your message. And the last is about vocabularies. Yeah, we lack of it. Really. How to improve it? Actually, it's simple. You have your own way to improve your vocabularies. For example, me, I always chatting. I always read some article. I think not the heavy books that I dislike reading, and try to make them all in your daily activity. And I believe you can memorize them all longer than you only just think of them in one time. Okay, that's all. Some suggestion from me. Hopefully we can talk again in another video. Thanks for watching.